This is how you share a photo with a contact on your iPhone. Open the Photos app. Mine's right here. If you can't find it on your home screen, tap in this little search bar at the bottom. Start typing in photos and you'll find it in here. Tap on that to open it. Now we have to choose a photo that you want to share. You can also, if you want to share multiple, tap on select right here and drag your finger and select. You can tap that share button to share those three. That's one method to do it. Or you tap right into the photo like this. Let's zoom in so we can see it a bit better. What a beautiful photo. And then you can tap on the share button on the photo, and you can also then select multiple by going back and forth over here and just tap on multiple photos. We're going to share just one though. And then here are places you've recently shared things to. If you don't find the contact you want to share to in this list, then just tap on messages and then start typing in their name. In this case, I want to send it to myself, so I'm just going to type me, and there I am right there. And you can add a message. It loads the photo right into a chat thread, and then with that message entered, I can then, let's make it wavy. Yeah, there we go. And then tap send, and now that message has been sent. If we go to, oh, there's right there, popped up. If we go to our message thread, we see the photo right there. And the person who received it can now press this down arrow and save it to their phone. Super cool. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. If you haven't done this in a while, you should probably do it because it's really important. I'll see you there.